On the 2nd of November 2022, and a Bulldog, the former manager for Shatawale, that time no free the Shatta Movement camp, no, or Shatawale Benya or Bantebi, Emma and Wobufontino, or the releasee, and also or the leaky, the GOG album tracklist on the Facebook page. So, what I say, sa album tracklist, Shatawale, the Shani bottom ache, were announcing GOG, sa Emma Bekreti, a very much anticipation on internet and also Obiape album Nibeti, because Shatawale not person this album no any international appeal, not person or the international chart nim. Now so Bulldog person Odina Brontino or Liki album tracklist on the Facebook page. So album no if feature Stephen Don, na if feature Popcorn, na if feature Vice Cartel, na if feature Naira Marley, and a afi John Legend. So and you Shatawale person or release it on the 20th of March way 2026 way. Na sa and you also, but because of sa leak now Bulldog baby release it. Shatawale and say on release sa and you now also. Inti Shatawale dropping a GOG album no. Now the one featured Naira Marley na eniso, the one featuring John Legend na eniso, the one featuring Stephen Don eniso, even Popcorn the campo no na eniso. But and then Shatawale and Adrian so release sa and you no the one featuring John Legend. Shatawale campo beka say sa Adena Bulldog by leaking the track list on his Facebook page, Emma Lucy, a $4 million deal.
One day, my album, many like international collaborations, like big one, that I wanted to release.
I think GOG. Because
he was working with me by that time, offering me channel, he felt he had something that he would use to disgrace me. So he brought that thing out. And at that time that he brought Sidena out, I had a deal with a record company that wanted to give me $4 million.
Wow.
So I got very pissed.
And I'm saddened my Sikane ball,
Sikane ball me. So, because in Kofonona, yeah, documentations, they wanted to do a rollout for me. So, Sadena, see, and I know my friend can say, but why not release the track list? I say, my former manager, and so boss now our company and say, the way I didn't acquire the amount to me and further, transaction no anymore. And it was like 3 days for them to send me that money. So so I started writing things. I don't know what I about mama.
Oh, okay.
What's my say?
Welcome to the 22 Miles Up. If you've watched this video to this far, please subscribe and don't forget to put the bell on post notification. Let me introduce you to Flawless Kit and Glory. Patrol a quality just in Kwana Yeton. Yento Pu. Yento just in a home yi ni vida be patrol. I know be not pedia fenching. But up your quality just I thought let me introduce you to Flawless Kit and Glory. Wait until the number below and make your pre-orders name for just no embro. Until like I said, and then on the 20th of March 2026, Shatawale is about to create history. What I say, with the song featuring John Legend titled Ain't Nobody. And I got ain't nobody. Now people have started to forget about the history that Shatawale once wanted to release this song way back 2022 when he was about to drop the GOG album. Charlie, this was the one of the most anticipated album, even though the album itself no drop, not in the top charts. Album no drop, the album the top chart. The album was one of the most talked about topics on all the entertainment platforms in Ghana here, both radio stations and also on social media. Now everybody talk about that album because Shatawale do you mind say he never go release the album track list. The only one boys they anticipate was the one between him and then Vice Cartel, the Mansa Musa track. And they know Bia album by says album track and a bit more drop it. A bit more shaky ground so because they said that collaboration be akoso. And then they know Obia is too short. But the rest of the collaboration, the one featuring Popcorn, the one featuring Stephen Don, the one featuring Naira Marley and John Legend as well, no. Na Obia enim Shatawale na adwene so on boss enchire Obia. Se na be ba betomwa Obia bekas wow. yɛn kɔ ne kɔkɔ pɛ saa adeɛ bi nti ɛna bulldog ɛbɛbɛ destroy biribiara or destroy everything because of ntɔkwa baako mmienu bi a ɛkɔɔ so a mo ntɛm ɛna release the track list leaky track list no ɛwɔ the Facebook page owie na ɔsan de ne compare Blacko ɛna ade ɛma Shatta Wale ka buba bɛfu yɛ bɛkeka nsɛm wɔ internet ne so ɛbɛ attacke Mr. Logic so de ne ho gyime ɛbɛ attacke Mr. Logic ne ɔmo nsɛm bebree way back in 2022 mɛnkɔfo bebree refi but then yɛ deɛ edwuma we are always in the entertainment space it will be say better abɔnten a yɛpɛ baabi a ne da hyɛ yɛpɛ baabi a ne da hyɛ sɛ ne bɛyɛ a daakye bi ehu hia ne asa akɔ ne kɔkɔ biem ne ahwɛ nti hanom deɛ ekuro ehu wɔ hanom dabi like we don't leave scars here the scars no hanom ka we kɔ bie ekuro nim na ekuro abɛyɛ fresh na kɔkɔ hwɛ deɛ kɔkɔ buy so if you don't know the history of how Shatta Wale's collaboration with John Legend no ɛbɛbɛ see ya like I said no some masterpiece no kɛbɛ tie way back in 2022 but then because of Bulldog adaroma Bulldog na adwene so bɛhwɛ Shatta Wale ase ɔbɛma ne Shatta Wale no megu ase ɔde Shatta Wale bɛ compare Black Sherif na ade nti no ɔyɛ na adwene sɛ ɔbɛma Shatta Wale ayɛ basa ɔbɛma na ayɛ frustrated ɔbɛma na ayɛ depressed because of banter cause amuntem na de ɔbɛka se beef ni formula nti ɔno so root of the fire no ɛde gya ama Shatta Wale ntimi release saa track no over the GOG album no so album no cover be basa the most anticipated album the way na boys expecting maybe album no betime do no album no ntimi anya sa the Rain album did way much better than the GOG album what I say sa album we na konkofo anticipate say sa do better bontia my boys e feel my boys my Shatta movement if feel because Shatta Wale and Beyonce aye collaboration then straight John Legend fine biom and a Bulldog will destroy you. A Bulldog say bibia. But then yeah, how we should be me ako. But I see say Stonebwoy in France they do some agenda be online. They compare John Legend plus Rick Ross now. They listen. Yeah, so I say me can who's never can. I then I'm say always be more cast out of ignorance without doing your research. Internet no hon my now. Internet no hon mo bia. Until before obeba bonten abe make debate bi abe make argument bi no make sure say what na fact right make sure say unim de woka say na be ya obeka say wi a obi mbe expose you e make say masa asema woka ndi bomb asema woka na nonsense what you make na say there is no way we cross campo be okotena be de no ho compare John Legend the kind of music John Legend no and who been a Rick Ross here. Rick Ross is for the streets. John Legend, I know who that be now. They, the kind of places are John Legend. A bonus shows now. Rick Ross into me show honor. Now say the most richest man in India. Billionaires in the world. Campo now. Apparently top charts. I say top 10. Apparently top charts will be sir. Neba aye wedding. Or invite John Legend. What I say. So John Legend no be just any artist. Ono no release nyum basa eye betime release nyum ba kope ana on release nyum krampo but obebo shows enya sika Records betime release album be 10 empo no ti nya that kana John Legend betime nya from just playing shows because the kind of show the kind of baby oye na appearance no enye easy o ja say eya asem ka asem a mon kana asem no enye no kre. But I'm sure say just some baseless agenda number somewhere here just to ridicule Shatta Wale. But Shatta Wale's collaboration with John Legend is going to be a masterpiece. Okay, I say any do about the kind of archive song about the kind of record home. Say only obi to say John Legend ayenyom. Somebody like John Legend no chale onye obi akeke munima mo ko internet na wo ho no mo ko na mo ko hwehwe. Argument bo no me hu hia no re hia no so akọ hwehwe no kana se no kre no hu e bia wo de wo la efa hu e bia wo de argument bia wo de debate efa that man jai sa la ne sa no man ari no chale on the 20th of March yes Shatta Wale is dropping the song esimu mpe anyem no de we have a tabontin but like a video be man like a birthday but to be able to get John Legend in a music video there chale easy play shit in your company be shoot na dey challenge easy according to Bulldog I say Fantasy Entertainment and making that collaboration possible say Fantasy Entertainment Jupiter and I'm signing now the intimation say Jupiter now working a way around to make sure that Shatta Wale get that collaboration with John Legend as well. So big ups to Jupiter if he was involved one way or the other. Yeah, I'm sure how our son will be to me. This is only 2 more subscribe. You see this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to put the bell on post notification. Until then, peace out.
Yeah, man, Samu Rabbit, yeah.